Squad shit. 잊지 마. On the water squad. 여전히 몸에 camel. All can ninjas go ramble, 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 ramble. On the water squad. 여전히 몸에 camel. All can ninjas go ramble, 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 ramble. 잊지 마 우리가 잊지 마. 빛이 나 우리가 빛이 나. 신경 꺼 너는 너 나는 나. With the killer whales 날개 피고 돈 위에서 수영. COHORT with the cohort patties boys. Motherfucker fucker 주둥이 막 fucker. 너는 너 나는 나. 받아들여 어서 너는 남들 욕할 때 나는 돈 벌러.
너 미소니 저러하니까 막히니 키스髪を祝いまた次の戦に行く広げる世界地図 Them ninjas on the mission 邪魔者は容赦なく切る死ぬ生きるかけてりゃ当然の義務見てみ気分人は最後ロンリー残せるものは大いにこうしたことないこの一生に Hey motherfucker you can feel my pain 酔いはしてねいいわけそりゃ死んだ目じゃ追いかけてこないティンカベル Let us chicks one here
On the water squad. 여전히 몸에 camel. All can ninjas go ramble, 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 ramble. I'm zombie. 너무 마신 싸구려 codeine. 여전히 몸엔 coming. Camel down, you know it going. Hotter than a motherfucking name. 난 욕조에 누워 쇼핑해. 이거 babe. Kiss 8, bitch, my killer whale. 수영해. 우리 곧 돈으로 수영해. 너네 컴퓨터로 구경해. 너네 삶까지 내가 주연해. 그니까 잊지 마 내 이름. 절대로 잊지 마 내 팀은. 잊지 마 절대 내 이름. 잊지 마 절대 내 팀은. 왕국에서 우리 잊은 그래.
잊지 마, I'm a motherfucking trendsetter. All my shit very rare. Never seen a map you. 믿지 마, 니네 오빠 돈을 벌긴 개뿔. 개소리야 돈을 벌긴 개뿔. 여전히 몸엔 캐모상어 가죽 걸친 채로. 여기는 강남대로 골목길 들어가면 우주로. 걸음 안에 평화 주머니 안에 놀보전 안에 정신은 돌고 돌아 서재 자리기면
잊지 마. On the water squad. 여전히 몸에 camel. All can ninjas go ramble, 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 ramble.
Never forget 覚えとけ忘れるなあれこれそれ大切なのどれいらないもの捨てちゃおういるものだけありゃ幸せなのかもしれないだろうありがとう俺は俺の足で歩く綺麗な靴また汚しまくるシューレース外すエアフォースワンそれかボロいコンバースと重たい革ジャンで気分はロックスターチューインガムを噛みながら聴いてるブルーハーツもうやりたくないことやってる暇はねやりたくないことやってる暇はねって言ってた
It's a little earlier than usual, y'all.
田代じゃない過去の話すんのダサいから昔のこと忘れちゃったらいい
Woo! Let's go, everyone. Good fucking morning, everyone. I don't know what that sound is. That's part of the song. It's ugly. Let me pause that. Good morning, everyone. My name is Dynamite_41. I like to speak my opinions on the market and everything going on with GameStop or other things if you ask for my opinion on anything. So, yeah, good freaking morning, everyone. It is 7:23 a.m. where I'm at, Central Time. You already know what it is. It's a little extra earlier than usual. The reason why I'm here a little more earlier than normal is because I do have to go to work, earlier today. Our RVP is coming in today, so we're gonna set up everything around the clubhouse. We're just gonna be doing this, that, and the fourth, and we're just gonna make sure we're one step ahead of everyone else. So whenever everyone else is asleep, we're out here doing that shit and we're out here getting it. So I just want to let y'all know that if you're up right now, you're already winning in life. You're already up for the day. The day is only started for you, or the day is ending for you, depending on where your time zone is at. You're winning in life regardless of the fact, because you're breathing, you're alive, and you're capable of doing something with yourself. But that's my morning spiel. Hope everyone is going well so far. And let's talk about GameStop real quick, and then I'll get into the chat, and then I'll, see where we go from there. This probably won't be a long video today, hence why I only let one song play out for the morning. I normally let 3 play out, but it's all good. It's all love. Let's check out the price action for GameStop. As you can see through Robinhood, the price action is always going to be live, overnight trading hours except for the weekends. It's, almost like a crypto trading 24/7, but it doesn't trade on the weekends. But we're currently sitting at $15.13 at the moment. Overnight, we did bounce off of our $15 support line. And, as you can see right here, if you recall from the stream yesterday, we did bounce off of the $15 support line. Y'all, Sam was distracting me. So he's about to distract y'all too. He said, "Good morning, everyone. Sam is up bright and early this lovely morning." Ooh! He is probably annoyed with me, but he's still on my lap, so I guess not. Forgot what I was saying. Oh, yes. Back to the live stream from yesterday. I said that, we're probably going to trade flat or trade low for the rest of the day. And I said that around, this time frame, I believe. Oh, yesterday was the 4th. Okay, so I said it around here. I was like, it's going to go up, but it's not going to break past 15. And then right after I got off the stream, boom, it goes up to 15.59. Breaks up above the $15 resistance line and stays above the $15 line of support. And then later on in the day, it breaks below my $15 support line, acts as a resistance line, and then finds its way back above it, and closing for the day at $15.22 for yesterday. Now, as far as what the future holds, as far as what today goes, well, if we look at the overnight trading price action, we're at 15.13 at the moment. So essentially, we are in this area right now, technically-ish, give or take. This is on the 2-minute chart, by the way, but this isn't going live for the overnight trading hours. This is just for the, the standard, 9 a.m. till 3 p.m. or whatever for the stock market. But basically, I always feel good about the stock that I'm invested in. GameStop, that's the stock that I pretty much am heavily into. Most of my portfolios are GameStop, unless if it's my life insurance or something. Pretty much all in on GameStop, and that's just me. That's my strategy. That's how I'm playing the game. That's how I'm playing the stock market. That's how I'm gonna do it. But let me go ahead and go into the chat really quick before I get into the chart. Michael Tucker, good morning. GameStop elitist elites. Yes, sir. We're here. We're up every single morning, every single day, and we're out here working hard to get what we want, more shares of GameStop. Yes, sir. If I'm speaking for you, Michael Tucker, then hallelujah. Manuel, hello. What's up, Manuel? Thank you for always coming in the mornings. You, Michael Tucker, North Star 420, everybody, I appreciate y'all. And good morning, Michael Tucker, to you back. And Taco Tuesday music. So one may think it was Taco Tuesday music, but it was actually a song called Idji Ma by Keith Ape. It's definitely not Taco Tuesday music. I think it's I don't want to say anything provocative or anything, so I'm just going to stop myself there. But since I am Mexican, I could get away with saying Taco Tuesday music. So there's that. But I ain't saying nothing else. I ain't into all that. So, anyways, we stay above the $15 support line, and we can make some stuff happen if we continue to, you know, basically. Oh, I got a package coming in today. Nice. I ordered a shirt that says numbers, only numbers. I'll show y'all eventually on one of my live streams. It's a dope ass shirt, Larry June style. But if we trickle and, you know, stay above $15, I'm pretty bullish on it. Now, as far as like the future outlook goes, let me go on the 15-minute chart and populate this really quick so the trend line can match with it. You know, as of the late February, we broke out of my, you know, downward trend right here. And what I see coming next is maybe we could go down again and test out the $14 support line. That's what I see in the future, in my opinion. But we could also just stay above $15 and then just kind of trickle in that range as well too. But I mean, like I say in most of my videos, dudes and females, like I literally will base my shit off of my fucking, you know, my downward pennant, whatever the fuck. All right. It's annoying me how much I forget the name of this symbol. Hold on. I'm just looking up something real quick. Yep, okay. So, falling wedge. This is my falling wedge. I just had to Google it because I always forget what the name of it is. I keep saying downward pennant, but that's not what it's called. I mean, technically it is a bullish pennant, but it's not like, bullish pennants are like pretty similar to this, but it's like a triangle that faces sideways. It's not like a triangle facing downward. So this is still a bullish indicator on the macro chart of GameStop. And I do believe that this bullish flag will still fall into place. I mean, if you look at, if we like zoom in on this right here, we technically are still in my, Sam, you can't step on the desk. You're crazy. We're still in the falling wedge right here. Sam even can confirm it. He sees it with his own eyes. He's actually looking at the charts that I Googled on the other screen, and now he's looking outside the window trying to see if he can find some little baby rats and chase after them. But Sam is just crazy. You know, he said the price action is going to go well for us as far as GameStop goes, but this is a cat telling y'all financial advice. He also said no financial advice either. But Sam is pretty much done talking for the day, so I'll just go ahead and take over from there. But anyways, you know, this isn't a bullish pennant. This is the falling wedge. So I still am going to die by my falling wedge. The RSI is not too burnt out. The volume is pretty low over here on the end, so I feel like, you know, we're destined to lead to like a high volume spike. I don't know, because I mean, there's definitely more volume going on, more volume action going on over here versus, you know, over in this area to where we are today. But maybe the volume is being suppressed. Maybe the powers that be are aware of all of the retail investors, people like me and you, are buying into shares and are like, holy crap, why do these people keep on buying into GameStop? Why do they think that this is a great investment? We're going to have to put more hit pieces out on GameStop and let them know that it is an awful investment. So they want you to think that, at least. But, I mean, I think it's a great investment. I know people want to say, why would you invest in a brick and mortar company? Well, the reason why I'm invested in this brick and mortar company is, one, I'm not the only one invested. There's like a lot of other people like me invested into it and are crazy about it. Some are even crazier. Another thing too is that they sell video games, used video games, controllers, used controllers, merchandise, toys, computer accessories, batteries, accessories, headphones, cell phones. You could trade stuff in, you could buy at the retail store in person, or you could buy it online. Some of the things, if they have them available, they could ship it to you that same day, or if not, the next day. So to sit here and say that GameStop is not bullish and that gaming is dead and that the industry is about to flop is just like mind-boggling. I mean, for Christ's sakes, the whole society is, you know, society unfortunately is associated around staying in and being introverted, and I feel like a video game is always being video gamers are born every day, like Morant says. And it's true, like society is a whole lot of different shit. You see people walking around with VR headsets. Come on, y'all. Like, I know that's not like the big, like, indicator of how a gamer is born every day, but our lives revolve around technology so much that, you know, we damn near rely on the stuff. And for people to sit here and say gaming is dead, there's no gamers around, there's no da 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 da, like, I think it's crazy. People still line up at the doors for GameStop, for Zelda. People still line up at the doors for Nintendo games. And those, if I'm not mistaken, those still have a monetary value. And, you know, you could say all you want about them, but, you know, some stuff does resell for more money in the future, especially like for rare gaming consoles, like if you had a Sega or something like that. It's just, I mean, it's just like, it's crazy, bro. And to sit here and say that they're not doing their part, to sit here and say that Ryan Cohen isn't doing shit because he's not giving out guidance or whatever, I think it's mind-blowing too, because, I mean, dude, don't let the enemies know what the fuck your moves are, because the enemies, aka mainstream media, aka the powers above that don't want us to win, are gonna skew the pot, and they're gonna fucking say all this stuff, all this negative stuff, and mix it around and say he say, she say, and say that, you know, Ryan Cohen did this when he really didn't, but they're gonna word it a certain way and manipulate people, because that's how they always get people. That's how they always get everyone, whether it's on Twitter or on mainstream media, YouTube, blah blah blah, whatever. It ain't phasing us, and that's okay, because even if I'm only projecting 5 viewers per stream for the rest of the year of 2024, as long as one more person joins my stream that same year, I'm cool with it, because that just means one more person knows that some shit out there is real, some shit out there is not. GameStop is a real company, and GameStop has real fundamentals, but they want to tell you otherwise, because who knows why they want to tell you otherwise. I mean, they did bankrupt a lot of companies prior to GameStop. I mean, for example, let's talk about AMC real quick. You know, the big elephant in the room, Adam Aaron, the big fat elephant in the room with the wrinkly ass clothes. Yes, let's talk about AMC really quick. So as you can see, this is a pump and dump, as they call it. It's currently sitting at 43 cents. Oh, sorry, $4.32. My bad, AMC people. It is pumped and dumped. I recently saw a video the other day. It was Mikey Trades, whatever his name is. He's an AMC pumper. He's new, younger guy, basically saying that AMC was above its all-time lows. I just don't see that at all. It's, if anything, it's at its all-time lows. And I don't know if that kid knows what dilution is or reverse stock splits are. But I don't think he's been aware of that. I think he's pretty much just going off of the AMC stock Reddit group and then formulating ideas off of that and then relaying it over to YouTube and posting content in regards to it. And I think it's kind of irresponsible with him. Now, granted, I ain't got no room to talk. I say some irresponsible shit too. Let's keep that in mind. But, you know, I'm also a troll. I don't troll about GameStop, though. I'm for real about GameStop, but when it comes to y'all AMC people, I will troll y'all in real life or on YouTube. Like, let me know. I've already got someone on the lines. I've already got a script going for someone, but that's for another video. But AMC was a pump and dump. Adam Aaron manipulated the whole stock, and he was giving out this guidance. The guidance that y'all want, Adam Aaron was giving it out. Look what the fuck happened. Look what the fuck happened. So y'all want Ryan Cohen to, you know, do a big interview with Marantz Rants? Is that basically like kind of similar to, you know, Adam Aaron doing a big interview with Trades? Like, do y'all really want that? Do y'all really want that? I mean, granted, private equity is not involved with GameStop. Shout out to Marantz for doing all the DD and research on that. So we're good as far as I'm concerned, because we got RC and we got the board of directors that are buying into their own company and their own shares and believe in the growth of their own company that they're invested in. So, you know, it's just crazy. And I'm over here to let y'all know that all that shit that they like to talk about on mainstream media that's negatively skewing GameStop and its image is totally crazy. It's totally false, and there's definitely intentions as to why they want you to sell. They don't want to give you too much of the tamale. They just want to let you know that it's a terrible stock. That's about it. But yes, Michael Tucker, we're definitely suppressed. And There are 3 GME stores in my area. Always have good customer traffic with business. Yeah, man, like it's true. And they've literally closed down the stores that had less foot traffic. And like when the leases were expired, it's not like they broke any leases, to my knowledge. And breaking leases is expensive. I work in that industry of not real estate for commerce or a commercial real estate, but a residential real estate. And I'm pretty sure the same applies for everything else. When you break your lease, you got to pay all these fees and breakage charges. It's expensive as fuck. Just, we're not making stupid decisions. North Star 420, what's up, my man? I don't know if you saw like earlier in the video, but I had mentioned to you before you even joined. I just talking about how you're always supportive, man. But North Star 420, you're always appreciated. You're awesome. And yeah, let's fucking go. It's the money bag or us with a chicken sandwich and a happy face. Woo! Yeah. I feel good today, y'all. I got my coffee right here. You know what I'm saying? The apartment community that I live at has an on-site barista. The place that I also work out too. And I got me some coffee right here. And I just got finished with a workout. And I feel fucking good. And I'm going to crush today. I feel like everyone else watching the stream is also going to crush today as well too. Just don't let anything get to your head. And make sure you do what the fuck you're good at doing. But enough with the AMC talk. Let's go to the GameStop chart again and, basically figure out what exactly is going to happen with GameStop in the near future. So, in my opinion, I think, we could possibly stay above this $15 support line or break below it. It really is hard to tell what technical analysis is going to happen with GameStop. It's really hard to anticipate what the fuck happens with GameStop price action. I mean, guys, I don't even know. I don't even want to draw no trend line, no nothing, no none of that. I mean, I'm thinking about just waiting until shit starts to play out more. But in my opinion, if I had to take a guess before the day starts, before the bell rings, 50 minutes from now, I'm going to guess that we stay above $15. That's my guess for today. And, if I'm wrong on it, then call me Inverse Kramer. I really don't care. Because at the end of the day, like I always say in all my videos, I am an investor. And I think this is the bottom that we're at right now. Regardless of whether we spike to $16, we'll only be right here still. We'll still be like in this area below my red ass fucking line that y'all see going across the screen. We'll still be above there, even if we spike up to $16 today. So just try to look at it from a macro perspective if you are an investor. I always like to remind that to everyone too. Now, granted, I know I always keep up with the price action every day just because I get too excited about the stock that I'm heavily invested into. Of course, I'm going to make videos about it every day, but I also believe in the company and I want people to know what I'm thinking. And then that may help them with their own decisions. That may help them with whatever. Because like I said, I'm not here to steer anyone a certain way. I'm not here to pump out a stock. I am here to talk about what I do with the decisions in my life. And I just happen to have a microphone, a PC, a camera, 2 monitors, a beautiful cat. And I'm just doing me. And people are looking. And people are listening. And I am really appreciative of these people. Y'all are more than people. Y'all are like my friends. But I didn't mean to get that fucking personal like that. But on the 2-minute chart, I think we're gonna stay above $15. So we could possibly get to $16. But like I said, we got a long way to go when it comes to the price action. We got a long way to go. So don't even trip about it, y'all. We're gonna be over here one day, maybe like higher than that, honestly. And we're gonna be sitting on it one day. We're gonna be looking back after months, maybe years of being invested into this company, and you're gonna be like, damn, we did that. Like, we literally bought that, and that happened with the price action. We're gonna be telling ourselves that in the future. We're gonna be patting ourselves on the back, thanking ourselves. We're gonna go freaking celebrate, and whether you're going to travel or rent out some table at a bar, whatever, club, do your thing. I'm still gonna be making YouTube videos, regardless of how much this pays me, whatever it pays us, because I only got 51 shares. I've only got 51 shares, and once I get paid out finally with my 51 shares, I'll probably sell parts of them and then let the other ones run. But I would let the whole gang know whenever I do sell shares. But it's not a while. I've been buying and holding. I'm long on basically all of my shares for the most part. Even though I do buy every day, I'm long on pretty much a lot of my shares. Most of my position for the 51 shares that I do have. But yeah, I mean, it's all good. But, we'll see what happens with the price action in the future. But North Star 420, hell yeah, buddy. Thank you, man. I got you, bro. Thank you, because like you be correcting me on stuff whenever I'm wrong, and it's like it's much appreciated, because it's like you're putting me in check so I don't like give out any misinformation, because then like technically I'd be a hypocrite, because I just went on a rant about mainstream media, and then for me to sit here and give out crap information like that, no, correct me please. I appreciate it very much, North Star. That's why I fuck with you. Michael Tucker, yep, accumulate then celebrate. Yeah, man, we're accumulating, man. It's gonna be crazy, man. Like whenever we hit a certain price point, like dudes, like I'm telling y'all, when we get to like 50 plus or something, I'm gonna be like, damn. And that's like low ball number for the record. That's not even like, that's not even where I'm gonna sell my first share. I don't even plan on selling my first share until we're like at least triple digits. Because it's definitely potential, like, to go beyond $100+. And I do believe in the future of GameStop, and I do believe in all the fundamentals playing in, pretty much reflecting over onto the price chart of GameStop, and the fact that our market cap is so low at the moment, and GameStop is undervalued. I mean, it's a good time to buy, in my opinion, but hey, y'all do what y'all want with your money. I ain't here to tell y'all what to spend it on. I mean, I would suggest that you don't fucking buy dumb shit and don't go out to eat every day, because you're probably going to burn through your cash pretty quickly. I mean, unless if you're in a position where you're going, you can do that, then sure. But even then, some rich people that have a lot of money still manage their money well, like don't even go out to eat all the time like that. So some people just be dumb. Some people do it for the gram. Some people just do it just because they don't know any better, not financially educated. I'm not the most financially educated myself, but shit. When you buy into GameStop and you're one of the few that, makes a profit off of it, aka us, we're one of the few, because technically it's like a small portion of the world invested in a GameStop if you think about it. Like, I know we're everywhere worldwide, but it's like what? Like 1 million of us? What's the world population? Like some billion? Like, it's like, it's a good fraction of the world for sure. And some of us have more than others, some of us have less, but regardless of the fact, I do see some shit happening down the road with GameStop in a good way. And even if things go bad, I will let y'all know. People will let y'all know. Marantz will let y'all know. Fucking Be More will let y'all know. Like, we will all let y'all know when shit goes bad. I'm not sitting here and saying we're all gonna collectively get together and give you the bad news, unless if that were to be the case, then sure. But I just think that we're doing all right, man. We're fine. And I'm not too worried about price action right now. I'm about to go get ready for work, though, because it is getting late for the stream, and I don't feel like getting off the stream, but it is what it is. I do have to go do what I got to do. But other than that, I appreciate y'all coming in super early in the morning. I know it's like earlier than usual, but I wanted to pump one of them out today just because I didn't want to leave y'all hanging. And I just wanted to talk a little bit of GameStop stuff this morning. And, I love y'all to death, and I thank y'all for supporting me every single day that I do live stream and I do post videos. My Thomas James video finally hit 1,000 views, and I'm super appreciative of everyone that supported it. I will make sure I make an even better video. I've already got someone in the works right now. I'm looking forward to posting it. I haven't started recording. I started writing it, but I haven't started recording it. But, I'll try to get that out to y'all soon. But yes, y'all have a good day. And Michael Tucker, have a great work day yourself. Mr. Gypsy Fish, hi, what's up, man? I'm about to leave, dude. But, you know, I appreciate you stopping by, dropping a chat and everything. I appreciate everyone that came in to watch today. I know I've probably said that a million times. My goodbyes are so long, if y'all didn't know that by now. So I'm going to cut it short.